I'll also let you in on a little secret. Reason why old school games always had like a, you know, start game or press A to play screen is because that would happen. So what you need to do is just on that opening screen, have it so there's a button that you click, which then goes into drawing this. Because like, let's say I play through, then I'm clicking, I'm impatient, and then I'm like, oh, but oh, game's already done. So you want to have some kind of, see, and that, I didn't actually click. It's just, see, it just went through 3 rotations of buffered clicks. So that's probably one of those Python things where it's just buffering as many clicks as it possibly can. Let's find out. If I just go nuts. Yeah,